Wyprzedzają pomału. O, tam kurwa jakiś mądry wyprzedza. O, patrz! Poszedł! Nie wyrobił, poszedł, musiał pójść. O, patrz już! Patrz, no! Już, dzień dobry! Skoczyło się rumakowanie. I cyk, zapisujemy materiał. Jak mi przykro, no jak mi przykro. Ojojoj. Szczęśliwy kolega musi być.
Mr. Speed Demon. And then he has to slam on his brakes because of the...
Just to get one car. He's gonna go get that truck! Yes! Karma, baby!
Go get him!
Oh, he didn't get the truck. Oh, he did. He got two people.
Yes!
Ready? Now the time to go grab the fans and the air conditioning units that you waited to refill because it's coming back here, gang. Right, and that's about right. Usually we get a couple weeks of it on you.
Yeah,
It fits.
that made me so happy.
Me too.
Is that guy tailgating the shit out of a cop, or is the cop towing it?
I don't know.
Cause dude,
Kind of weird.
he's just tailgating. Do they know each other? Cause if they don't, that's really stupid.
It's kind of weird.
Look at him.
I know. I'm not sure what's going on there.
They can't be towing because you'd have to have a sign that says in tow.
And why would a cop tow somebody?
I don't know, it doesn't make any sense. But why would a guy follow that closely behind? It's a chick. And I think I see some blue hair.
It's the all-day payday on 97.1 Charlie FM.
You think she's trolling him?
Maybe.
You can win 1,000.
I hope she gets I hope she gets a ticket.
Blast. B-L-A-S-T. Blast.
Text that code word now to 72881.
She's riding his ass.
One winner will be chosen randomly from all entries nationally.
Yeah, do it. Please. Fucking please light her up. Please light her up. I want to follow this guy around until he lights her up.
He's at least going to make her uncomfortable.
I wouldn't tailgate her if I were him. I'd just fucking light her ass up.
Well, now she's tailgating the person in front of her.
Well,
Yeah.
yes!
There we go.
Yes!
That's,
Oh, that's delicious.
that was,
What a... Wow, let's look how stupid her face is. Oh, your face is so stupid! What a...
that's had a few upwards and some dips and some flats. And
Yes, it has.
that's really depending on what year we asked whose mind it was from.
Ain't that the way it always is? Jay Leno said that. He said, any actor, no matter who you are, he said, he was talking to somebody about doing stand-up. I think it was Doug Davoff. He said, keep doing stand-up. I don't care how famous you get as an actor. After about 8 years, you're always the last one. You're always into a Johnny Depp movie. If he's not dressed like a pirate, you're getting $1 back.
What?
Yeah. And that was a big thing, man. They went, look, man. You know,
이날은 제 아내랑 평일에 쉬는 날이 겹쳐서 아침에 좀 덥지 않을 때 사격장을 좀 가기로 한 날이에요. 그래서 거의 다 온 상황인데 제 차는 그 제 비디오를 전에 보신 분들은 아시겠지만 누가 봐도 그냥 경찰차예요. 그리고 제가 운전하고 있는 도로는 그 사격장에 거의 다 온 상황인데 그 45마일짜리 도로인데 저는 보통 45마일이 제한 속도면 5마일 정도까지는 조금 더 달려줍니다. 교통 흐름을 위해서. 그리고 좀 전에 우회전하는 차 지나가고 나서 이제 속도를 조금씩 올리는 상황인데 옆에 이렇게 차가 하나 나타나더라고요. 뭐 속도를 엄청 내서 달려온 건 아닌데 느낌이 뭔가 좀 약간 한국말로 칼치기라고 하죠. 그걸 하는 것 같았는데 바로 뒤에 한 대 차가 붙더니 바로 저 경고등을 켜더라고요. 그러니까 저런 경우는 단속된 거예요.